When you're changing colors of bodies, it's good to keep in mind that any stickers or painted lines won't be erased when you add the new color. If, for example, I use the paint bucket to change the ice cream here to a chocolate color, you'll notice that the sprinkles all keep their colors. With the new color, however, the chocolate sprinkles blend in a bit more than I want. So, while holding down the Control key, I'll click on each of the chocolate sprinkles. Then select Change Color from the toolbar that appears. I'll select a blue color, and you can see that all the selected sprinkles change. The dark parts of stickers can also have their color changed like this. So, if I select the flower and click Change Color, I can make the flower petals yellow.